Hi, welcome to the New Wave Cooking Club. I'm Jennifer, the executive chef for New Wave Oven. Today we're going to make something that the kids really enjoy. It's a pizza burger. So the first thing we're going to do is take your ground beef. Now I have also made this with Italian sausage, which is really good also. I just leave the Italian seasoning out. Okay, we're going to add an egg. I always like to break the egg in another bowl because if we get shells, then we can pick them out. And a good trick if you do get a shell is you take the egg and you stick it in there and it acts as a magnet. So it's an easy, good way to get the egg out. I like to mix it ahead of time, just makes the process go easier. Okay, plain breadcrumbs, but if you have Italian, it's fine. Italian seasoning. I encourage you, if you have fresh, go ahead and use fresh. Okay, a little bit of pepper. I like to, crush my fingers together. It lets the oils release. Kosher salt, always kosher salt. It's good. Table salt is what it says. It's for your table. Okay, we're going to take half of the pizza sauce. This other half is going to be for service when the burgers are done. That's about half. Put this over here. Okay, and then we're going to add some fresh onions. If you don't like onions, leave them out. Not a big deal. But I like to show people how to cut an onion up. Remove the skin. Leave the little root on. That helps hold the onion together. Then we're just going to make nice, clean, even cuts straight down. Okay, now this is what I like to show you. A lot of people will sit and do this on an onion, and you really don't need to, because the way the onion is grown, if I pull these apart, they're already in segments. So all you have to do is just bring your knife down, and there's our pizza burgers that I have done ahead of time, and we're going to flip them and put some cheese on them. Okay, onions in. Okay, then just give it a quick stir. If you like to use your hands, feel free. They're the best tools as long as they're clean. All right. Now for this process, I'm going to use plastic bags because plastic gloves. All right, here we go. Make them any size you want. This recipe will do 6 burgers, 4 to 6 burgers, depending how big you put them. Now on the cooking chart, this is approximately, a ½ inch, which is 4 to 5 minutes per side for even a regular burger. So keep that in mind. Obviously, if you do a thicker burger, like an inch, like this, then you're going to have to add some minutes to it. Okay, so just make them in patties. You can do these ahead of time. This also makes a really good meatloaf. If you don't have time to sit and cook them individually. Okay, so we've got our burgers formed. Let me remove these. Okay, and then we're going to come over here and we're going to show you the ones that I already have done. Oh, yum, look at those. Okay, what we're going to do, we're going to add some mozzarella cheese on them. But what I had done before is I cooked them for 5 minutes on one side. I flipped them, gave them another 5 minutes, and then I'm going to put the cheese on. You can do sliced cheese, you can do, I just happen to have the grated mozzarella, so that's what I'm using. If you can't eat cheese, then leave it off. Not a big deal. I just kind of ball it up there and push it on. Okay, we're going to give it 3 minutes. And it's touch and go, as easy as that. Cook time 3, start, because we're just doing the cheese. Okay, so back over to our other ones. Touch and go, it's as easy as that. Cook time 5, and go. So we're going to wait for our burgers to, the cheese on the burgers to melt, and then we're going to put them on the hamburger buns, which I am now, this is like acts as the ketchup. You can put it on the bun. I like to put it on the bun because it soaks in, and then when you take that bite, it doesn't go all over your chin or the front of you. And keep in mind, this is for 6 burgers, so we're going to put that aside. Now, our cheese is melted, but I want you to notice all the fat at the bottom of the pan. And that is because of the triple combo cooking. It's going to be moist and juicy, but yet all the fat we are not putting in our bodies. So, let's, whoo, yum, yum. Just place them on. Stick your tops on. And there you have it. Pizza burgers. Until next time.